Hey, this is Ben from InterroBot. Today I'm going over interactive mode in mcp-server-webcrawl. This is a terminal-based search feature that lets you query your web archives directly. There's no AI, no Claude Desktop, just classic Boolean search in your terminal. Interactive mode turns mcp-server-webcrawl into a standalone search tool for your crawled websites. Think of it like grep, but for web archives. You can search through crawled data, whether it's from HTTrack, wget, Katana, and others. It's multi-crawler. You can SSH into any remote server and search the archive sitting on that box without having to download or sync your SAS. You'll need Python and mcp-server-webcrawl installed. If you've been following along with my other videos, you already have all this set up. If not, go ahead and install Python and then pip install mcp-server-webcrawl. Once you have it, you'll launch directly into a crawl if you know the path. Or you can launch without args and set up your data in the interface itself. Let me show you some of this in action. I'll launch interactive mode and connect to one of my existing crawls. You can see the interface loads up with a search prompt. Now I can run Boolean searches just like I would in MCP tools, but directly in the terminal. Let me search for content about comets. Soho is famous for discovering thousands of them. Now let me search for content about the sun's corona. But here's where Boolean search gets interesting. Let me find pages that mention both comets and the corona. That's where the drama is. And what if I want to get really specific about Soho's most famous discoveries? Sun-grazing comets that meet their fiery death. Actually, look at one of these. Comet meets fiery death in sun's corona. That sounds exactly like what I want. So let me view this in a few different modes. First, you get Markdown, which is just clean, readable text. It's not going to work for JavaScript or CSS or other text-based files, but it will work for HTML, which is presumably what most of your activity is going to be searching through. Then you get Raw, which will work with any text-based file, CSS, JS, HTML. And you also get headers, if you just need a quick overview of the HTTP header situation. It's right there, it's just waiting for you. The Boolean search syntax is the same interface that's used with Claude Desktop. It's the same Boolean operators and the same field search. The results are just packaged differently. They're packaged in the terminal as a list with URL, status, size, and the result snippets. And we don't have to stick to keywords. If I want to search for resource type or type and HTTP status, these are field-specific Boolean searches. And you can mix and match field and full text, aka keyword search, to find your exact target. This is useful when you're working on a server over SSH. You can have crawls sitting on different servers and quickly search through them without having to move files around. It's fast and it's lightweight, and it works anywhere you have Python. So that's interactive mode. It's full manual drive for mcp-server-webcrawl. A lightweight precision search for either local or remote web archives. That's a niche for sure, but one I hope you'll fall into. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.